Now we are going to Nine Arc Bridge. Okay, the last things at Ella, and see the Ella land view. I told you that I'll be showing, let them come this side, the beauty in the morning, because in the evening might not be that beautiful. The only thing problem is the noise of the vehicles which is coming, especially the tuk-tuk. Tuk-tuk is coming all the time. See the ambience, see the beauty. It's a nice cottage, है ना? एकदम काम है, बस ये अगर ये नॉइज़ नहीं आए टुक टुक का और गाड़ियों का, व्हीकल्स का. See the, you can hear the birds chirping. Early in the morning is 7:30, and 7:30 the sunrise. We went to Adams Peak. Yeah, so this is the way, Ella Tea Garden, and this is our cottage. This cottage we stayed for a night. This is our car, and we are going to Nine Arc Bridge. Wow! So we'll continue with this video at Nine Arc Bridge. To Nine Arc now. There's a little bit of trekking. Ma'am, come. Our car has stopped there. There's a little bit of walking distance. They're saying 3 minutes, but I'm sure it won't be 3 minutes, must be 10 minutes. Let's see if we are able to cover this up in 3 minutes or not. Little difficult terrain, you know. This terrain, car cannot come, bike can come. If a scooty or a bike, probably you can come till here. But it's better to go by foot, right, Rhythm?
Yeah.
At times people should let the ma'am come. Come, ma'am, come. The train will come very soon. This is the Nine Arc Bridge. Oh, Mamma Mia! Can you see this Nine Arc Bridge? Yeah? Yes. I'll just zoom it for you guys. There are trees which is hiding the Nine Arc Bridge. Probably there'll be better view from that side. We'll see. See, that one tuk-tuk is here. Tuk-tuk people, they come till here probably. हैं? पूछ रहे हैं. The train went? Train gone?
Yes.
It's coming?
Yes.
Okay. See the people here. The tuk-tuk come till here. The people are here. Excuse me. The train gone? Not yet.
No, 9:40.
9:40? Oh, I don't know. What time the train comes?
9:40.
Somebody tell 8 a.m. 9:40. We cannot wait till 9:40. Let it be. Sorry, buddy. We have to go to Mirza. So this is famous Nine Arc Bridge. Okay. So there's a special train also which is coming from Colombo to Badula. That comes here, and that train stops. There are 9 arcs. Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 arcs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Absolutely 9 arc. So this is a famous Nine Arc Bridge of Sri Lanka. People come here, they take picture, they take selfie. People from different nationalities, they come here. Train will not come now?
9:30.
9:30 is very late. He told us that 8 a.m. So this is the track and it's been said that 9:30 train will come, and we are here at 8 a.m. Yeah, we are far ahead. Sorry, ahead of time. No train. So this is the view of Nine Arc. It's a lovely view, very picturesque. That's why this is very famous world over. This is one of a famous destination, and I've heard there are bees also that side. Sometimes they attack if somebody disturbs their path and all. So we'll not risk it. The train will not be coming. Yeah, Rhythm, come stand there. Stand there. Train is not coming. So I'll click your picture. Move a little ahead. Yeah. हाँ, हम लोग तो वॉक करते थे इस पे रिदम। हम लोग स्कूल जब जाते थे ना, तो हम लोग इस पे ऐसे वॉक करते थे, ऐसे। नहीं, कहाँ गिर रहे? देखो गिर रहे। नो, डोंट ट्राई रिदम। वेट। या, नाउ यू कैन वॉक। या, वॉक। Oh, little imbalance. See. Oh, see. Put your leg straight, like both leg like this. Then one down, like this. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Very good, Rhythm. Try. Try, Rhythm. Try. Very good. You can do one thing, Rhythm. Since the train is not coming, you do your taekwondo things here. You practice your taekwondo here. Yeah. This is यहाँ पे भी only railway track पे. This is a new type of taekwondo practice. Okay, do this side, beta. Sun, this side is there. So your face should be this side. You do on this side. Ma'am, move. So Rhythm is doing her taekwondo in the middle. Yeah, do. Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah. She is practicing her taekwondo. Yeah. Do. Yeah. Yeah. So this is one of a unique video. This little girl practicing taekwondo on a railway track at this Nine Arc Bridge in Sri Lanka. So guys, please like and subscribe. Rhythm is doing so much of exercises. Finished? Done? Yeah? Okay. So see the picturesque view. That's why people, they like this. This bridge is there. This joining two places. This is Ella's Nine Arc Bridge. No train, right? It's saying 9 a.m. the train will be there. 9:30.
Da model.
You speak very good Russian.
Yes.
Yeah, you're from Russia?
Yeah.
Okay.
Russian. I'm Sri Lankan.
You're Sri Lankan.
Yeah.
Okay. So somebody is posing for modeling. A girl from Russia. The young lady, I think, not young girl.
Вот туда иди.
Сюда?
Да,
Вот так?
да.
Давай.
Одна минута.
So selfie queen and drama queen both are busy taking selfies. बॉटल हटा दो पीछे से, बॉटल साइड में कर दो ना, बॉटल भी आ रहा होगा. हम भी आ जाएं. 9 arc. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This side also. I'd given you a view from that side. So probably I'll go down. आ रही है ना? Very good. Lots of people. So then the train passes through this tunnel. It comes from that side. Probably is near Nuara area. There's a place called there's a small railway station. I forgot the name. I'll put the name in the description box. So can you see is a complete 9 arc, and can you see here from down till up the view. So this is the view of 9 arc bridge. रिदम यहाँ पे खड़ी हो, यहाँ से पिक्चर लेते हैं, बहुत अच्छा आएगा 9 आर्क का. यहीं पे, हाँ थोड़ा सा और पीछे जाओ, ज़्यादा पीछे नहीं, बस यहीं तक. हाँ. So Rhythm posing at 9 arc bridge. Do some actions, Rhythm. Yeah, modeling actions. Yes. So they're posed. I've clicked their picture, and now they're withdrawing. Now I'll try to take my selfie as well. Yeah, this is. Can you see the people here? Imagine a train would have been coming. The train timing is 9:30, people are saying. We were told it's 8 a.m. I don't know why we were told at 8 a.m. We came so early. We didn't even take bath, and we came from our hotel rushing. We have to leave for Mirza, so we are not waiting for the train. Maybe I'll add some other video from in this. Let's see if the train comes. Then it will be added thing. You can see it together. People are trying to go down. So this lady is posing, and her boyfriend is clicking pictures. So lots of foreigners, they come, different countries, different nationalities. That's the beauty of a tourist place. We are a foreigner in this, but are like Europeans. हम लोग भी foreigner हैं यहाँ पे.
Okay.
You go this side, Rhythm. This 9 arc should come. And my face should also come, right?
Okay, okay.
Click picture.
Done.
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 Stop. Pause. शुरू कर दी थी रे. So guys, this is 9 arc bridge of Ella, Sri Lanka. I'm making such a good videos for you. If you like my videos, please subscribe, share with your friends and family, and don't try to hit the bell button. If you hit the bell button, you'll get all the new videos. We'll be posting wonderful videos from Sri Lanka or many other countries wherever we'll visit. So please kindly subscribe to our channel Hope you like our video. This is Naina Ella, Sri Lanka. Thank you. So the people are posing. See, nobody Russian nationality. She's posing. Maybe she's giving a modeling pose. Maybe when Rhythm will grow old, she will be also giving such modeling pose. See, she's standing here, trying to walk. I can't risk Rhythm. She is very young. See, it's little risky. So with this, we are signing off. Thank you very much for being with us. Kindly share this video with your friends and family. भाइयों दोस्तों, मैं इंग्लिश में इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ. हाँ है हाँ दिख रहा है. देयर इज अ बी हाइव. थर्ड वाले में देयर इज अ बी हाइव. या देयर इज अ बी हाइव वहाँ पे लंबा उसके पिलर के ठीक नीचे. देयर इज अ बी हाइव. या देयर आर बी हाइव्स. And I have seen that many people, many tourists has been attacked by these beehives, because normally they do not, but now and then what happens, somebody just touches them or somebody they disturbs them, they come and attack. And many YouTubers have posted that videos of attacking bees and also we need to be very careful. If at all you see an army of bee, you must rush out quickly away. Okay, I was planning to bring something for that, but we could not bring that. Anyways, the bee is not disturbing us now. It's okay, it's fine. So मैं बोल रहा था कि भाई मैं ये सारे वीडियोस इंग्लिश में इसलिए बना रहा हूँ क्योंकि बहुत सारे इंटरनेशनल व्यूअर्स होते हैं, उनको भी समझ में आना चाहिए. तो आपके लिए सबटाइटल्स हिंदी में आएगा और मैं हिंदी में अभी बोल रहा हूँ एंड में. तो आई एम रियली सॉरी. ये सभी लोगों के लिए है जो हिंदी इंग्लिश सारे लोग हो जाएं, क्योंकि अगर हिंदी में बनाऊँगा तो इंटरनेशनल व्यूअर्स को नहीं पसंद आएगा. मोनी इंडियंस को तो इंग्लिश समझ में आती है. अगर आपको नहीं आती है तो सबटाइटल्स आप ऐड कीजिए, आपको हिंदी में सबटाइटल्स मिलेगा. क्योंकि मेरा इंडियन चैनल है, मैंने दोनों हिंदी इंग्लिश में डाल रखा है, तो हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों में सबटाइटल्स आएगा. विच एवर द लैंग्वेज यू अंडरस्टैंड, जो भी लैंग्वेज आप समझते हैं. अगर मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बाइलिंगुअल बनाऊंगा, ऑलरेडी मैं बहुत लंबे वीडियो बनाता हूं, तो और लंबा हो जाएगा. तो ये अब देखिए, ये नाइना ब्रिज है. अगर आपको पसंद आया, प्लीज़ श्रीलंका से के एला से मैं बोल रहा हूँ, अगर आपको पसंद आता है तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ शेयर कीजिए. एंड लास्ट में बेल आइकन को हिट करना मत कीजिए. रिदम आपकी होस्ट जो है यहाँ पे है. अभी इस वीडियो पे उन्होंने टाइक्वांडो भी किया हुआ है, तो आप उसको एंजॉय कीजिए. ये अपने टीचर्स के लिए बोल रहे थे, इनके टीचर टाइक्वांडो टीचर की आप जाओगे श्रीलंका तो वहाँ पे टाइक्वांडो प्रैक्टिस करना. तो हम लोगों ने रेलवे ट्रैक पे अच्छा जगह चूज़ किया है. प्रॉब्ली इनके टीचर यूनिक है, इनके टीचर लाइक करेंगे कि कोई रेलवे ट्रैक पे जाके टाइक्वांडो भी कर सकता है. तो विद दिस साइनिंग ऑफ, बाय, दसवेदानिया, चीयर्स, ऑफ विदरसेन, चाओ, अरिविदेर्ची, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब. About Sri Lanka, I see these water bottle beans. Every nook and corner you will see these water bottle beans, and people consciously they throw their empty water bottle here so that it goes for recycling and so that it does not pollute their environment. Sri Lanka is such a beautiful, blessed with nature and all, beautifully blessed with nature. So they are very conscious about that. They know that they're tourism based country, so they are trying to preserve their nature with this sort of sensitivity. I think we Indians should also learn, and we should also, in our tourist places, especially in the hills and all, we should open such bins where only plastics and plastic bottles are kept. I know there are certain places plastic bottles are banned, but people still they take secretly and they throw it, which is very bad. So I suggest our Indian government कि उनको भी ऐसे बीन्स जो है हर जगह बना दें. जब लोगों को जगह जगह बीन्स बन जाएंगे तो लोग इसी तरह से इधर उधर नहीं फेंकेंगे. वो भी थोड़ा सा उनको एजुकेट कर देने के बाद वो इसी तरह से श्रीलंकन्स की तरह से ऐसे बीन्स में रखेंगे। सो ये देखिए नाइन नाग ब्रिज के पास ये बीन पड़ा हुआ है। यहाँ पे डेली कम से कम 5000 टूरिस्ट आते होंगे, डेली कम से कम। अभी देखिए सुबह के 8 बजे इतने लोग हैं, सब लोग अभी यहाँ पे वेट करेंगे ट्रेन के लिए। वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू वेट फॉर द ट्रेन टू द ट्रैक। इट्स अ 3 to 4 minutes for track and all. We are coming down. There's a train at 9:30. So we were given a wrong information that is at 8 a.m. So we came planned for 8 a.m. and we have to go to Mirisha. We cannot wait so long for train. So we are going back. But for you viewers, if you happen to be in Ella and you want to watch train coming at Nine Arc Bridge, don't come so early at 8. If you have a time, you can wait for 1.5 hours, which we are not waiting. 1 hour 20 minutes still time is there train to come, and sometimes train gets late also. So I'll suggest you start from your place at 8:30 around, come here at 9, maybe enjoy for half an hour or 1 hour. Here you can sit here, you can drink, you can have coffee and other things. There are places, there are small huts where you get all those things, and you can see the train also. Don't come early like us. Don't commit the same mistake which we have committed. Can you see this little terrain? This terrain is not well built. The roads are being made. See, the roads are being made. So maybe after a few months, you'll see that your car and your tuk-tuk can come till that side. Local tuk-tuk wala they take, but if you hire a tuk-tuk, they stop there only. Okay, but my car driver stopped there because he didn't want to take risk. But I'm sure that after some time road is being built. See, they are making road. So road being made till there. Nine Arc. Yeah, this road. Yeah, new road. Okay, so they are making this. We cannot understand English. That's why I'm using my broken English, because if I speak in English, they will not able to understand. They say that you speak very fast, which I know I don't speak very fast. I know many people speak faster than me. Yeah, there's a tuk-tuk. Can you see the tuk-tuk can come? Okay, tuk-tuk with here till here. Our cab must be waiting down here somewhere. Our driver left us here only down. Can you see there's a dhaba? Yeah, that side. The blue car. Can you see a blue car? Yeah, that blue car. Maruti, Indian car. It looks like we have come all the way from India. No, this is in Sri Lanka. This is our car. Yeah. So our driver bhaiya Nishanta is here, I think. Nishanta? Okay. The train is at no, nothing to eat. Nothing to eat. Bye bye. No.
highway දාලා හම්බන්තොට ගිහිල්ලා හම්බන්තොටින් ආපහු highway දාලා මිරිස්ස දාලා
My wife is saying this is not a dog, this is a bear. No, it's not a bear, it's a dog. It's a different breed dog probably.